Whose dog is this, bro? Hey, Pitufo, come over here, Pitufo. Come here, bro. Come here. You're gonna be in the vlogs now, bro. By the way, this guy has an Instagram. You wanna go follow him? He's the most savage dog ever. And he's a trunk reporter. Bro, chill, bro. Okay, let's look at it one more time. Hell yeah, way better. Can't wait to get that carbon fiber lip. It's gonna look so clean, dude. I'm getting a lot of good feedback about the bumper, so that's pretty good. All right, guys, so right now we're about to pull up to a, oh, I think it's right here. Oh crap, look, oh crap. Yeah, they're open. So right now we're gonna pull up to this one shop and we're gonna go pick, oh crap. And we're gonna go pick up something really nice for the G30. There's not even an entrance, dude. We're gonna pick up something for the G35, and it's something that I've been wanting for a while. Back then I had a pair of Brambos and I got them for like $450, and I was gonna put them on the G35, but I ended up, I kind of needed the money and I sold them for like $900 and something, so I kind of made a good profit. And today the opportunity came out to have another pair of a big brake kit, and well, this time I'm gonna keep it, but it's not Brembo, it's Akebono. So we're gonna pull up to this one shop. Oh, we're actually pulling up to Houston Z. Is that Houston Z's? Oh, yeah. Oh crap, I always wanted to come here. So I'm pretty sure it's this one's. Damn, those are huge, bro. And then this is the bracket and the metal brake lines. Then they have everything. Test pipe, turbos. Ooh. So they got everything here.
Little Z's.
So these are the calipers. Man, those are huge, dude. And well, those are the front, and this ones are the rears. They're a little smaller. They're a little bit, I guess, worn on the paint, but it doesn't really matter because we're gonna powder coat them or we're gonna spray paint them. I don't know yet. I need to get the brackets, and I need to get as well the brake lines and the rotors. So as of right now, I'm just gonna have them at the house. I'll probably get the brake lines and the other parts next week, or so. I gotta spend that stimulus check. Nah.
Go Trump.
Go Trump. Yeah, it's pretty cool. DVS, damn. Hey, how do you see myself in the R32, bro? Do I look like I own an R32?
Yeah, it fits you. Your size.
Damn, my wheels. So like that's whenever they wire tuck, they put them on a side.
That one's his.
Huh? 350, 370, and then look at this one, dude. This one's so nice. Damn, this one's clean. Holy crap. That's nice. I think this is my favorite one so far from this building. The other building, the GTR, no matter what, I think it's nice. Hey bro, is that a Tome though? Nice. Oh crap, I think. Oh crap, that boy beat it up. Another Tome. Got some. Alright, so this is the next day. I'm actually gonna go to AutoZone because I'm gonna paint the calipers. I really thought about powder coating them, but let's see if I can put this down somewhere. So I really try to powder coat them, but it's just way too much money. Like, well, so far the calipers were $550. Estimating about how much I'm gonna spend for all this is almost like $1,500, and that's because I need to get an adapter, I need to get the metal hard lines, and I also need to get brake pads and rotors. And dude, it's just so expensive. I'm almost like at $1,500. I haven't spent it yet. So far I'm at $550 for the calipers, right? So I was thinking, I was like, well, before I put the calipers on the car, I really want to powder coat them, but I just don't know what color, and also I want to see the pricing on all that. So I called this one shop called Coats of Texas. To be honest, that thing was hella expensive. It was almost $400. It was $390. $400 to powder coat the calipers, and I was like, hell no, I'm not gonna pay that. That's just way too much money. Like, I normally try to go with good quality parts in my car, but I'm not about to spend 400 bucks on powder coating. It's just way too much money for that. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to go to AutoZone, bring back some primer, get the whatever color I'm gonna spray paint I'm gonna get, and then I'm gonna get the clear coat. And also, whenever I get home, I'm gonna sand down a little bit the calipers because they're not in the best shape. It has some chipping on them, so I'm gonna sand that down, and then I'm gonna, of course, you know, spray paint them or whatever. So as of today, I'm just gonna go ahead and just paint them, and I guess just leave them at home or something. Okay guys, so the first thing that we're gonna do is use a primer. I bought the VHT flame-proof primer, and it's for high temperature, so it should be able to hold stand I guess the temperature of the calipers. Remember guys, the first coat is gonna be super light. Once you spray it the first time, leave it around for like 5-10 minutes and then come back again and do the same thing. So now that it has like maybe like 3 or 4 coats of primer, I'm gonna start using the yellow. And I picked yellow just because, I don't know, I feel like it's gonna go well with my car. So I used the duplicate color, and like I said, it's heat resistant and everything, and of course it's yellow. So let's go ahead and see how it looks. So remember, just sprayed it a little bit at the beginning. That should be enough, and so far it's looking good. Let me show ya. So I know you're gonna find some mistakes here, but remember, this kit was really cheap, and it does have some imperfections like this right here. I could have probably sanded it down a little bit better, but to be honest, that was the most that I could have had done. Like, I'm not the best, I'm not a professional at this, but it's something that you won't really notice them unless you like really pay attention to them. But so far, like I said, for the amount of money that I paid for this, I'm very happy for it. So hopefully the rest I do a lot better and actually fix them. Maybe one day I could powder coat them, and if I ever powder coat them, all this will be gone. Okay guys, once you're done with the last coat, it should look something like this. Like I said, it's a couple of imperfections right there, but that's just due to the Akebono being pretty messed up whenever I got it. But like I said, for the price, it was pretty good. Yeah, I really need this camera to capture the color of it. It's really yellow in person, but this is like kind of like a banana color. But it looks really good. The last thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put clear coat, and I'm about to duplicate color cloud clear, and it's the same concept. It's up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and for high temperature. These are gonna get pretty hot, so you're gonna need one of these. Don't get the regular ones, because I'm pretty sure with all the heat they're gonna start cracking, and you won't be able to notice it on camera. But I mean, this is just, I guess, an extra clear and extra protection for the paint. So yeah guys, that's basically how you paint calipers. I didn't show you the other caliper just because I haven't really started on it, but it's the same process to the rest of them. So yeah guys, just wanted to show you how it looks. I'm not gonna put them on my car right now, but I will once I get the rotors, the brake pads, and also the adapter for the G35. So yeah guys, I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed the video, and like always guys, don't forget to go like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.